What's up, everybody? This is your buddy pal London Hawthorne. I just woke up, so I got beard, whatever. This shit from Dallas, Georgia, all the way to South Bend, Indiana. This is more than likely a gift card unboxing. I try to find gift card deals online and buy them for things that I like the movie theater, which can tend to be expensive, and I get them at a reduced rate. I'm not sure exactly which one this is. Appears to be an AMC movie theater gift card. So this on the back says that there's a $50 value. So more than likely, I probably spent somewhere in the $30 to $40 range on this. It's worth it to me to pay in advance on a gift card that has less value. Like more than likely, they don't have an AMC in their area. They got it as a gift, and they're like, let's just get rid of it. So this has a $50 value, and I'm pretty hyped. I'm excited because I just saved about probably at least $10 on this gift card. So leave a comment below. Let me know what you think is one of your favorite movies. What's a movie you like going to see? Are you going back since all this crap happened? Leave a comment. If you want to help support my channel, support my movie theater habit, go to riptapparel.com or onceuponat.net. Find your shirt of choice. Use my username London Hawthorne as your coupon code. You're going to save a few dollars off each and every shirt. You can also just cash at me. You can slide up in my DMs. Thanks a lot for watching. I wish you the best. And what's your favorite movie theater? Have a great day.